FCI continuous float level gauge uses the change of the magnet in the float ball. With the change of the liquid level, the voltage divider circuit is composed of the resistance in the body rod and the magnetic induction strip to convert the component voltage signal. The voltage divider signal can be converted into 4-to-4 through the module. The standard industrial signal of 20 mA is used to detect the liquid level. The smaller the gap of the magnetic induction strip, the higher the accuracy. The liquid level gauge can also be used with other secondary instruments for long-distance display. Easy to use and reliable liquid level sensor. Level gauge is composed of a floating ball, sensing connecting rod wiring housing signal converter. Automatic engineers can choose terminal control systems such as PLC industrial computers according to actual needs. When performing two-wire wiring, please pay attention to the voltage and polarity of the power supply. Continuous float level gauge should be installed far away from the water inlet. Otherwise the switch will cause malfunction due to the fluctuation of the water inlet. If the switch device is installed in the mixing area, an anti-wave tube or anti-wave baffle can be installed. If the switch device is installed on the concrete pool wall, it can be installed in an L-shaped steel frame. Choose the flange connection pipe with the inner diameter of the pipe larger than the diameter of the float ball. The continuous float level gauge is widely used in the measurement and control of various tower tanks, spherical vessels or boilers in industrial production. Feejoy technology provides the most professional solutions in the market.